Welcome back. Got some stuff here I need to take out, and let me come around and do that because of course I have a market. All right, so I'm gonna take these out first because like I redid them. I'm gonna cut that part out. We're not doing that. Okay, so let me move these out the way because I already did unmolding for them. I just had to touch them up. Let's start with this because I am curious. Oh my gosh, I didn't turn on the light. Oh. Okay, I don't know if that makes a difference, but here we go. So I feel like all these areas are giving me grief and stress because it looks like there's a giant, oh, is there a giant air bubble? There is a giant air bubble. Oh, okay. It's one. Let's see if there's any others. Ooh. Okay, first of all, what? This looks way better than I anticipated because I did some foolishness with the mix. As you can see here, there's like speckles all over. It kind of looks like, what are the colors for the Baltimore Ravens? I think I might make this a, what you call it, tray. I don't know. But this purple is pretty. Okay, so that was the only, well, there's a mini air bubble here, and on the sides it's kind of like but this is all there is, and this looks good. It's always the bottom part though. The top part always comes out seamless. I'm so here for that. But yeah, we got purple, black, and some splashes of gold. Yeah. I'll take this out because this was just leftover resin, so I made one little incense holder. It even has the same little splash of gold there. Yeah. Let's see, I just broke a nail. What's the hardest one? This one. All right. On this episode of Watch Me Struggle, let me peel that part off. And yes, I'm just dropping it on the floor because I started just sweeping up after doing this instead of freaking out. Obviously, I'm not gonna do it after, like right after, because I'm usually running out of here to a market. But yeah, because trying to find somewhere to put them, like I'm gonna end up putting it on the table, and that's gonna look gross in the thing. So yeah. Oh my gosh, can you separate so I don't cut myself? That thing is in there flush. My goodness. I'm so curious what this looks like because it, oh gosh. Sorry. I don't know if y'all can hear my AC just kicked in. It is a hot summer, y'all. It is hot. Global warming is global heating. It is hot. We are not even a week into summer officially, and my AC has been on for longer than a week. Like it's hot. It's just hot. It's hot. That's all I can say is it's hot. And I'm pretty sure it's hot in other places too, because I know folks in Jamaica have been complaining about the heat as well. And Florida. Okay. All right, here we are. I thought there were way more colors in here than this. We got like a little splash of red, some green around the rim, and then we got purple and black in there on the bottom. Yeah, I feel like the guys might like this. It's not too colorful, so you know, some of the guys be like, oh, you don't have anything for men. You're right, I don't have anything for men. Let me stop. But let's see. Look at this. These are in there pretty freaking tight. Like, was it the heat I added at the end? Probably. Oof. I'm trying not to cut myself that I so often do, because I still have a cut here that hasn't fully healed from the last time. Okay. Ooh, come on. I really love this whole like dripping effect, like how it looks. Like, I love it. All right, do you love it? Do you love it? I love it. But yeah, I don't know, this kind of gives me like Joker vibes. I think we're gonna call this the Joker, because it has like the reds in there and the green and the gray and the white and the purple. Kind of gives like the Riddler a little bit, but the Joker with that purple and green jacket. Am I mixing up my villains? I don't know, but yeah, I think we're gonna call this one the Joker. It's like the smile with the red. Yeah, that's what it's giving me. So that's what we're calling her. We need to do something for Harley Quinn. That's funny because when I was looking at this, I was like, oh, it could be like Harley Quinn-esque, you know? If I had done like her red and blue. All right, so easy ones now. I can't believe this was in the shot the whole time. Let's see what this came out like. See, it didn't even like, I wanted the yellow to show up more. But it's giving like, I don't know. It's also giving Starburst. It's just bright and just yummy. I don't know. I feel like I wanted to add like something meditation-esque, like something tranquil, you know? I don't know. And then this one. Okay, this was supposed to be way more yellow than this. That dark color overshadowed the rest of the yellow. That is ghetto. But it did show up on the sides and around the rim, so that works out. Yeah, yeah. Here we are. Okay, let me work my way back around. All right, so we have 2 incense holders, card tray, cigar rest, and a single regular coaster. I just realized this ring light wasn't even facing me all the way, but it's okay, we move. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, check out the TikTok, Instagram, all of the social media things. And just like everything else here, we do pointless talks, all things pointless. Whether you got here on Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.